everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout, your hub for motorcycle reviews, history, and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're taking a closer look at a cruiser that's perfect for beginners and riders who want classic styling without the heavy weight. The Keeway Superlight LTD 125. Now, Keeway might not have the same long legacy as Harley or Honda, but the brand has built a reputation for creating affordable, stylish, and reliable motorcycles. The Superlight LTD 125 is one of their most popular models, especially in Europe and Asia, because it combines cruiser looks with learner-friendly performance. Let's talk about the engine first. The Superlight LTD 125 is powered by a 124 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. It produces around 10.6 horsepower and about 9 Newton-meters of torque, which might not sound huge, but remember, this bike is designed for beginners and city riders. It offers smooth power delivery, enough for daily commuting, and a top speed of about 100 kilometers per hour. Perfect for new riders who want confidence without being overwhelmed. One of the best things about this bike is its cruiser design. With a low seat height of just 730 millimeters, forward foot controls, and wide handlebars, the riding position is relaxed and comfortable. The bike weighs about 134 kilograms, which is light for a cruiser and makes it easy to handle in traffic or when parking. Styling-wise, the Keeway Superlight lives up to its name. It's all about that classic American cruiser vibe. You get a large teardrop fuel tank with 15 liters of capacity, matte black or chrome finishes depending on the version, leather-style saddlebags on some trims, and even a small front windshield on the LTD model. From a distance, many people might mistake it for a bigger displacement cruiser. On the features side, the Superlight comes with a front disc brake and rear drum brake, giving you decent stopping power for city and highway speeds. The suspension is basic but effective, with telescopic forks at the front and twin shocks at the rear, built to handle bumps while keeping comfort in mind. Another highlight is affordability. The Keeway Superlight LTD 125 is priced around £2,700 in the UK, or about €3,000 in Europe, making it one of the cheapest ways to get into cruiser-style riding. Plus, it's very fuel efficient, giving you close to 2.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which is fantastic for daily use. In short, the Keeway Superlight LTD 125 is the perfect entry-level cruiser. It's stylish, economical, and approachable, giving new riders the full cruiser experience without the cost or intimidation of a bigger bike. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review of the Keeway Superlight LTD 125, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Bike Scout for more in-depth motorcycle breakdowns.